Some domestic headlines, some breaking news now coming in. Well, Champai Soren, the former Chief Minister of Jharkhand and veteran JMM leader, is all set to join the BJP on August 30th, is what we are learning from our sources. In fact, Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced in a post on his social media profile X, hailing him as a quote-unquote distinguished Adivasi leader of the country. Champai Soren, in fact, also met Home Minister Amit Shah. We'll bring you more details with regards to what exactly is happening and what can be expected with Champai Soren jumping ship to the BJP. We have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta, in fact, joining us live on the broadcast. Payal, a very good morning to you, considering how crucial this year is going to be for the state of Jharkhand. What freshness, what additional element is Champai Soren going to bring to the BJP?
Well, as far as Champai Soren is concerned, we do understand that, he will be in fact joining ship and jumping ship to the BJP, and that's going to happen on the 30th of, August. That announcement has been made by, Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, after Champai Soren and Himanta Biswa Sarma actually had a meeting last night. Have decided to in fact Shivan and Himanta Biswa Sarma will be present when the joining of Champai Soren takes place, at Ranchi, which is of course the state headquarters. This is how it's going to pan out, given the fact that, Champai Soren has had a lot of back and forth, between JMM and his, which was his, of course, original party, and the BJP. He's met several leaders of the BJP. It's clearly understood that Champai Soren has felt insulted, given the fact that he was made the chief minister once Hemant Soren went to jail. But the moment Hemant Soren got released from jail, Champai Soren was unceremoniously asked to step down as well. He was not, in fact, allowed to conduct his duties as the chief minister, is what he said in his social media post expressing his angst. For the BJP's advantage, given the fact that they've been in search of a tribal leader, and Champai Soren is a 67-year-old, he's also known as Tiger in the local politics, and he's somebody who's a very, very effective tribal leader. So BJP is hoping that he will be able to help them change their fortunes in the state of Jharkhand.
And Payal, if we were to talk about the role of Himanta Biswa Sarma in this particular matter, what exactly was his role? How did he exactly help Champai Soren joining the BJP? How crucial his role is going to be in this?
His role is going to be extremely crucial because, Himanta Biswa Sarma comes from Assam, which has a significant population as far as tribals is concerned. But more than anything else, Himanta Biswa Sarma is also the co-in charge for the BJP in Jharkhand. So he's been, traveling to Jharkhand back and forth. He in fact made several appeals to Champai Soren to jump ship to the BJP, where a party where he would get respectability and party where his contribution would really matter. So obviously the BJP understands that Champai Soren is a big face. Remember, Champai Soren had also been somebody who's worked with Hemant Soren's father, the Shibu Soren. So obviously that kind of gravitas is what he really carries, and one does understand that, the elections as far as the Lok Sabha are concerned, saw the tribal votes really go away from the BJP. That's been a one concern for them to really have. Given the fact that in Hemant Soren's area, in fact, the tribals deserted the BJP, and which actually resulted in the loss for former Union Minister Arjun Munda. So obviously to keep the battle going and to make sure that the BJP is able to perform well at the back of what one has seen in the Lok Sabha, and to see that they are able to take the baton forward, saying that this is a government which is actually pro everyone, sabka saath, sabka vikas, and obviously calling out the corruption of the Jharkhand Morcha chief Hemant Soren. That's going to be the target that the BJP will set for itself in the upcoming elections.
Definitely, Payal. Thank you so much for all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more details on that story as well. Right now, shifting focus to another breaking news now coming in.